Presenting the Fire Boltt 360 SpO2 Full Touch Large Display Round Smartwatch with inbuilt games, 8 days battery life, IP67 water resistant with blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring, Grey, M. It comes in color options of gold, black, and grey. It comes with full capacitive touch, supporting taps and swipes, and 1.3 inches color screen full touch display. The material, design and craftsmanship. It comes with robust battery life. It supports track real-time optical heart rate monitoring, and SpO2 and heart rate. Fire Boltt SpO2 smartwatch measures real-time blood oxygen, SpO2. It also supports social media apps and access to all your notifications on your wrist in this smartwatch. It also has normal mode, camera and music control and about 8 activity tracking parameters. Start your day with meditative breathing and keep a healthy brain with the 2048 game. Enjoy hours of fun playing your favorite bird game and outdoor activities like cycling, skipping, badminton, swimming, running, football, walking, basketball. The delivery box contains one smartwatch, one charging cable and one manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.